Everybody is eating jalebi, so I also ate jalebi today, and I am feeling very amazing. Should I also come there? Over there. Cock over there. He's running. From here, water comes to our fields. This is the whole one. Welcome back to my channel, guys. I am Apurva Yadav from UP, and guys, today is day 15 of learning English with me. As you all guys know, today where I am at the river. Here is our village river, as you can see, all of you. And guys, first of all, let me wish you a happy Republic Day to all of you. Today is 26th January, and everywhere where people are celebrating that. But you know, I came here to show you. You know, guys, this much big river is this. See over there, and also see my sister here. She's coming. See, guys, we are just enjoying.
Hi everyone.
Yeah, guys. See.
Oh my god, look at this.
Look at the river. We are feeling amazing here. You know, guys, they are far, they are no one. We are only just here. And look at the scenery. It's very, what we can say. So, first of all, let me wish you happy Republic Day. I am saying lots of time. First of all, do you want to say something about Republic Day? Why do we celebrate?
Yeah, happy Republic Day to all of you, and wishing you that this year would be nice. You would become a very good Deshbhakt.
Yeah, Deshbhakt. Yeah, guys. Wishing you, because you know, today we got the Constitution, our Indian Constitution, and let me tell you about that. Who wrote it? As everybody knows, every student knows, Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar. You know, guys, his whole name is Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar. No, Dr. Bhim Rao Ramji Ambedkar. So this is the whole name. After searching that all, I got his name. And that's what I want to say. And in my primary schools, there are lots of people are celebrating. And you know, it's feeling like today is free sweet days.
Sweet distribution that
free sweet distribution day. And guys, everybody is eating sweets. You know, people are coming, they are celebrating.
Half
and
of the people come just to eat the sweets. They are like, we are gonna eat sweets. Fuck everything.
Yeah, they are like they will say, everybody there, you know what, the chair will disappear in just 2 minutes. Like, people are dancing here, they are celebrating very perfectly. Everyone is dancing. You know, some people are dancing, song is not started, they started dancing. Like, so much fun. And guys, today let me show you whole area where I am telling you, you will feel amazing after looking this area. You know, we are at river. We say
so
Nadi.
we will add some of the shots, like cinematic shots of this, and we're gonna show you. It's actually like when you look in the real life and when you look in the mirror.
Yeah.
In the camera.
Yeah.
There is a lot of difference.
Yeah, if in real life it's looking very peaceful. You know, here are the forest, here are river, here are boat, and I will show you. And see here, this is boat, and I will show you who drives this boat. What do we say that? Who swims this boat?
Let them tell.
Yeah, I will tell you. And guys, let's start. My hair is getting messy because here wind is too much blowing. So let's start. First of all, guys, let me show you here. You can see from there, too much far. Like there. See.
We will take the shots now.
Yeah.
You're just talking about it, and then we're gonna end up taking a shot.
So first of all, what do you want to say today about 26th? About 26th January.
So it's like 26th January. We have a lot of things to do. Where are you going? I'm gonna fall.
You're gonna fall. See, it's sandy. Sandy. What do we say? Soil.
It's sand.
Yeah.
It's silt actually.
Yeah.
Whatever do we say? And you were talking about what I want to say about the Republic Day. Then yes, the only thing I want to say to people is that try to give something to your country.
Yeah.
Which is in real life, other than eating sweets and waving the flags.
Everybody is eating jalebi. So I also ate jalebi today, and I am feeling very amazing. After looking
in the morning. Did he bring it from there?
Yeah, from primary school we got it.
No, I don't think.
We got there from. We got there. You only sit here, so who will say? So guys, let me start
Look how
showing.
much she is mocking me at this point.
Hey,
I'm going at the boat. Should we go there?
Yeah, at the boat. Let's go. From here, let's go. Come here. Let me show you. See, this is the boat I'm telling about. See how much big is the boat. I want to sit here, but I don't know if I will fall here. What will happen? I will be muddy because I bathed today. Here we sit. Here.
Oh, bro, come back.
I'm very scared. If this will fall, what will I do? But yeah.
Ask him.
Ah.
Should I also come there?
Yeah, guys, see here we sit here or where do we sit?
Oh my god, look at the aesthetic. Okay, I'm gonna put my.
There, from there, somebody sits there, somebody sits here, and someone sits here. And see from here, you can see the whole water. And if I will
Wait, I'm also coming. So we're gonna sit here and make some.
Yeah, come.
Come.
See. See, boat is like,
It's looking like I'm skating here.
yeah. How much big?
Start going from this. Like, should we post this?
If you will go there, what will happen? Just go and try.
She wants me to die.
No, I don't want her to die. I'm just saying her to try. Who sits here? If you will pull that, you will fall.
I don't think.
Hey, don't stand there.
I'm going back.
See the
Anyways,
water.
come.
How much is the water here?
Done.
Now there, over there you can see the water is coming from there. Let me show you. See, the water is coming here.
They can.
And there are sands also. See that it's like forest area over there.
Let's start. Okay. Let me ask you a question.
Yeah.
So, what about that story which you told us? You were here and you saw a ghost.
Yeah, I saw ghosts. Not here. Because before when I came there were not any boat kind of things. But now it's here a boat. And talking about that ghost was...
Wait, look at there. Is there a person there?
No, that is not person. That is, what do we say, bag. That is known as bag.
No, it's not a bag. There is a person, I think. Anyways.
So this is bamboo. You can see here. Over here.
Yeah, so people in the village use this, and there are like 1, 2, 3 of it, and people use it.
And I think people who are from village, they also have sat one time in the boat. Lots of time. Cousins from our village, like we can say bhaiya, they comes lots of times. But we are girls, so we come very less time. So, but it was feeling very nice. So I thought that let me show you all guys what we are doing, how much fun we are getting from here. Like sitting here and doing so much things.
Like in the city area where you people go, so there is a lot big area where you go and people charge you a lot. And here when we are in the village, it
Free.
gets so natural.
Yeah, we are free here. We can walk so much far, wherever we want.
It does not take any charge.
Yeah, it does not. We are sitting here. If you are from city, they will start taking charge. But now in village, there is not any cost. You can just...
No, I think they take cost.
But if we are sitting in cities like this, so they will take the cost.
Definitely.
But here, people are friendly in village. Everybody is friendly. How much air is blowing here? And see, the sun is also coming.
It is feeling very aesthetic.
Yeah.
You can look at there is a lot of these trees.
It's like forest area, total bamboos. And what do we say, these flowers? If you are from village, you should know about this.
We say sarbat, and you guys are
Haan.
going to tell me
Yeah.
what is the English of it.
You will say, guys, and also we make hearts of this. Let me show you the heart over there. So guys, we just came out of boat to show you the sarbat. And also let me tell you guys, this boat is alone here. So who swims this? Not
Who
ghosts.
works on here?
Yeah.
Because you know what? Wait,
Yeah.
let me show you. Wait,
Yeah.
let me show them. So it's like you see all those area there
Yeah.
at the back.
Yeah.
The area there is a village. There is
Yeah.
also village, and this side is also village. The thing is that there is a river in between.
Yeah.
So when there is a river in between, people have to travel. And
Yeah.
what do these people do? Is they sit from morning 6 a.m. I think
Yeah.
to the
To
evening of the 6 a.m.
Yeah.
and
He
they sit
sit-
here.
Huh?
What do they do is they help people transfer. They even transfer vehicles. So it's like they have cycles or something.
Yeah.
You can check out the whole area here. It's like very scary, but you can look here.
Yeah,
So-
so he gives service
Yeah,
like
these people
5
did that.
and 10 minutes, 5 or 10 rupees. Like people who are from there, they have to swim across here. So he just gives service them of 5 or 10 rupees. And also he puts the vehicles, like if it's two-wheel vehicle or anything, he just put on his boat. It's looking small, but in real it's too big. So that just happens. And let me show you the man and how does he live here. See here, this is the hut of the man.
This is how you make hut from sarpat.
Yeah, this
Baki,
is
then you have to tell me the English also.
yeah, this is the hut. And let me show you the man. And see, there is he sitting over there, and he swims that boat. Look there and here. He's just sitting and doing his work. And see all here forest area. Like he's alone here.
And by the way,
See,
come here. What is this thing known as?
yeah, this is known as people tree.
There are some seeds, like a small seed thing here.
See, it's too big. You can see huge tree.
Like it has been years.
Yeah, I'm thinking the person who comes in night, how will he just survive here?
We can make a horror movie.
Yeah, we can definitely make a horror movie over here. And like guys, let me show you further what is here. It's like full forest area, and we just came. And here is very small line. Like here is
Show
very
here.
small.
Look, you can fall from here.
Yeah, you can fall from here. And if you will fall, nobody will help you. But here is our village uncle. He will definitely help you. Guys. And guys, you can see we are going there. See the whole area. It's like full forest area. And it's very thin line where you can go from.
There are a lot of trees here. You can
Yeah. What do we say? Bushes here. There are lots of bushes. If any animal will come there, I don't know what will happen after that.
Like it's so much like
Better when you are going with this.
and plus the area is very scary.
Yeah.
Hopefully,
In clients we have a lot of.
wait, look at.
All over there.
I can't. You're not gonna hold it properly.
See there we are going. Breaks so much shade here. See,
No wonder people say a lot of place.
people say lots of things about this. And there are lots of different kinds of trees here. Mango tree and bushes and all kinds of things. And there are too much ways where you can go further. We are going on our way where we have to go. Not any different way. And there are so much
There are a lot of houses and cabs.
we have a lot of things here. Like if we try to show it, it will take like 2-3 hours for you. Yeah.
Just have to think.
And here, see the peacock over there. Peacock over there. He's running. See, here is the pump where we get the water. We just fill water from here.
There is a whole pipe going on.
So come here. Like full village area. And here are some flowers also. See, from here water comes to our fields. This is the whole water pumping house. And let me show you the, what do we say, garden over here.
Yeah, there is a garden.
Come here, let me show you the garden.
So there is this whole pipe going on and goes to the village.
See, someone is filling their field. And see over here.
They are filling
Like
up.
Full, here is some.
Guys, just look at this. This is just so much.
It's like scenery. We are coming in scenery. There. See. These are all
This
known
is
as
the
amla.
amla. This is the
Yeah.
amla tree, na?
In line
We
you
say Indian gooseberry.
We say gooseberry to this.
But there is no fruit right there. You can see there is no fruit. It will get it.
Let me come here.
And there is one more thing which you can see, guys, here.
These are known as bale. Bale to English क्या
Ah, bale
Bale
कहते हैं.
tree.
By the way,
all
You can see all those mustard fields, and we have
wheat field.
wheat and mustard here.
And
There are a
this
lot
is
of big trees.
Sahaja.
It feels so good here.
And there is a path going on there. It's very thin path. Now let's go somewhere.
Imagine the time when these people were in their 90s era, when there was no such pollution thing. How would it look like if we come at that point?
And
of
they
time?
come alone. We are coming like we 3 people are coming, and they come alone. How they come alone?
Those people have
Yeah.
different kind of things. You can see there is a whole way at the back. There are a lot of dried up trees. When you are going to come here at night,
I don't.
I'm going to leave her someday at night.
No.
So she would come here and I'll leave her.
And you can see there are lots of trees in the fields, like trees also and
in
field
between the
also.
fields. Yeah, there is a lot of trees in between the field. Are you going to say something else?
What can I say?
Okay, there are a
Sometimes this
lot of
thing
people
also
playing out there.
And
we have
Day, one thing
what do-
more happens, like people paint orange, yeah, green and white kind of thing. But here in trees there are not any this kind of things.
Yeah, so people paint there, right?
Yeah,
in the
they
field.
paint there. And see over there, everybody is doing their work. Like in fields also there are lots of village. So let me go now show you another thing.
See guys, we have this whole thing. Field thing. We have a lot of fields. Like you can go with the road and there is a lot of fields in the contact.
And here is also a primary school.
I don't know if you can see it.
See, this is a primary school.
Whatever it is, we have a lot of a lot of villages. There are
Lots of kids come here and play cricket. There was no
We
decoration.
cannot invade their privacy, guys. We cannot show you everything.
Yeah.
But yeah, there is a lot of fields.
Everywhere. I'm telling you, everywhere here. Forest, fields and trees.
The water thing was the best thing, which we saw
Yeah.
till now, because
The river thing is the best thing that I saw,
you
because
go there and you forget everything that you have in your mind till now. If you want to just chill, you can just go there.
you just have to go, sit there alone and see the scenery. And I know if you feel so much bad also, then also you will feel very good after looking at that.
There is just one difference that I can see in the villages right now is that we don't have too much animals here.
Yeah.
We have animals, we definitely have, but it's like
We can't see any now. Like there must be hens and cows and
there
buffaloes.
are, but not in the comparison of the previous years. Because in the previous year there were a lot of them. But right now it's not a lot of them. It's blowing good air.
We are traveling by bike, that's why it's feeling like that. Otherwise we should just walk over there.
Walking is what we more prefer, but yeah, people are not going to leave us alone.
Yeah, see, these are the dry trees. There are
There are a lot of water pumping machines right here, where you can see and feel there are a lot of same kind of trees.
same kind of things everywhere, because the season is same. There is not like a, in this village different season. It's not like that. So everyone will.
So it's like there is a whole water thing going on. There is something coming up. I cannot see it. I think there is a helicopter out there.
Its voice is coming. You can hear.
Yeah, they
So
could
much
have
loud.
been hearing, and that is a place from which water comes, and there you can see a lot of birds, mustard fields.
See the. You can hear the voice.
We have a fogged it up. You can see there is a lot of bamboo trees here.
From here we
And-
just take bamboos if we have to use.
Whatever
it.
thing I'm watching right now, I just remember ghost. I don't know why.
See, these are
There are a lot
the
of things here, like a lot of bamboo trees here. You can see they have of like years. It's been years since they are here.
Some are fat, some are thin. So people just, if they want any bamboo, so they will, like many people make hut, and there are lots of use in village.
Everybody come and use that.
So guys, I showed you everything that was here. It was just, you can just feel the scenery over here, the things that happens in village. Village students know about this or any village person know about this. So what do you want to say?
Well, that's all for the video. We had made a great vlog, and tell me in the comment section which thing did you like most about our videos. Like what is the thing which you like the most in the video.
And also don't forget to celebrate the Republic Day, and also tell me how did you celebrated that in the comment section.
Yeah, by eating sweets.
Yeah. So that's all for today. We will meet you in the next video. Bye.